Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning about manufacturing accounts with solved examples. So let's get started. The first question, you have been given your selling price per unit and total sales. So you can calculate units sold by dividing total sales by selling price per unit. Units produced have already been given to you. Now let's calculate cost of goods manufactured. And to do so, we are going to add raw materials to purchases, and we're going to subtract raw materials closing balance, and this gives you materials used. Then you are going to add direct labor and royalties, and you get your prime cost. Now you have calculated your prime cost. So how are you going to calculate your manufacturing cost? You're going to add your overheads, and this includes indirect labor, rent, utilities, maintenance, rent on equipment, and other overheads. You add them together and you get this answer 860,000. So now you have your manufacturing cost. Let's see how you can proceed further to calculate your cost of goods manufactured. You are going to add work in progress opening balance to manufacturing cost. This gives you cost of goods to be manufactured. Once you have got cost of goods to be manufactured, you are going to subtract work in progress closing balance. And this gives you cost of goods manufactured. And here's an example. In the next question, you have been given total manufacturing cost, work in progress closing balance, and cost of goods manufactured. I have arranged this in this format to help you see how you're going to calculate the missing item, which is work in progress opening balance from this information. So you're going to follow this format, and 19,000 plus x minus 4,000 is equal to 18,000, and this gives you work in progress opening balance of $3,000. To calculate cost of goods sold, you are going to add finished goods opening balance to cost of goods manufactured. This gives you cost of goods available for sale. Then you're going to subtract finished goods closing balance, and this gives you cost of goods sold. Here you can see an example. Now you have to calculate income statement. So sales less cost of goods sold gives you gross profit, less selling and administration expenses gives you net profit, as you can see in this example. In the next question, you have to calculate manufacturing overhead when you have been given the total manufacturing cost and direct materials and direct labor. So it's simple. Total manufacturing cost minus direct materials minus direct labor, and this gives you $12,000 as your answer to this question. In the next question, you have to calculate cost of goods manufactured, and you are given total manufacturing cost, work in progress, opening balance, and work in progress, closing balance. So rearrange in the form of formula. So total manufacturing cost plus work in progress, opening balance, less work in progress, closing balance. This gives you this answer on the screen. Next, to calculate cost of goods sold, in this particular question, you are given cost of goods manufactured, and there's missing information in the form of finished goods opening balance and cost of goods available for sale. Rearrange all the information provided to you in this format so that we know how to go about this. You are given finished goods closing balance, and you are also given cost of goods sold. So how will you proceed further? First of all, we are going to calculate y by writing it in the formula of the type y minus 4,000 is equal to 26,500. You can see how it's done here. Now to find x, you are going to write 22,500 plus x is equal to 30,500 as per the formula or the format in the previous screen. Now you have to calculate, you have to make an income statement, and again you have some variables missing. So in this particular case, you are going to find x first because you have two important pieces of information that can help you find gross profit, which is sales and cost of goods sold. So you are going to subtract them together and you get your gross profit. Once you have your gross profit, you can calculate net profit by subtracting, x minus y is equal to 5,500, whereas x is 13,500, and you get an answer of $8,000. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching the content, and for more informative content, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.